Imagine a world where free speech and hate speech collide, sparking a firestorm of controversy that threatens to upend the very fabric of our society. This is exactly what happened when Southern University law professor Kelly Carmena was suspended and faced termination over comments she made on social media following the death of Charlie Kirk. But here's where it gets complicated. Carmena's comments, which allegedly included wishing death on people like Kirk, have raised questions about the limits of free speech and the role of educators in shaping public discourse. As the WAFB I-team confirmed, Carmena's suspension was effective immediately, pending an investigation into her conduct. But what exactly did she say that sparked such outrage? In a post shared with WAFB, Carmena reportedly stated, "I will 1000% wish death on people like him. He is the epitome of evil, and I have no compassion. Not even a minute ounce of it for people like him who go around spewing hate the way he does." These words have ignited a heated debate about the nature of hate speech and its consequences. Southern University Board Chairman Tony Clayton weighed in on the matter, confirming that the investigation was underway and emphasizing that distasteful statements should not be tolerated, particularly as it relates to death. He added, "That conduct will not be tolerated at Southern University, period." But some might argue that Carmena's comments, although reprehensible, are still protected under the First Amendment. And this is the part most people miss. The fine line between free speech and hate speech is often blurred, leaving room for interpretation. Attorney General Liz Murrill released a statement condemning Carmena's comments, saying, "Political violence has no place in a democratic society. This individual has a constitutional right to have opinions and social media amplifies them. But she does not have a right to teach at a public law school." But here's the question. Should educators be held to a higher standard when it comes to free speech, or should they be allowed to express their opinions, no matter how unpopular? The answer is not straightforward, and it's an issue that sparks intense debate. As we consider the implications of Carmena's suspension, we must ask ourselves, what are the consequences of limiting free speech? And how do we balance the need to protect vulnerable groups with the need to preserve open and honest discourse? The controversy surrounding Carmena's comments serves as a reminder that the intersection of free speech and hate speech is complex and multifaceted. So, we want to hear from you. Do you think Carmena's comments crossed a line, or were they a legitimate expression of her opinions? Should educators be held to a higher standard? Or should they be allowed to express themselves freely? Share your thoughts in the comments below.